Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Felix holding a rose. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this fox, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very cool looking character. So to begin, we're just gonna draw in one big circle. So this is gonna be the shape of his head. Pretty much the same as almost all of the other Piggy characters. Okay, so just one big circle. And then from here we're drawing his nose, so right in the middle of this, just draw a small circle. And then to finish up the snout area, from this circle, just go up. You can make a little point. And then from this point here, I'm going to draw a bigger circle coming down. And this will give us the snout area. And we can go ahead and add in the whiskers now. So just come to the middle of this. Just going to draw one line going out on each side. So that's going to be the middle one. And then we'll draw one more on the bottom. And then one more on top. All right, and then we can add in, we can finish up the details. Just gonna draw one little curve right here on the top. Just slant it down, right to the edge of the face. Okay, and then for his eyes, so just come on an angle right here. Just add one circle. Same thing here. And let me shade this in black. And then this one, I'll add a little circle and then just shade around it. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up the little details on the side right here. Just right on the side of the eye, just come out, just draw a little angle. All right, and then now we can draw in his hat. So his hat's gonna be going right over the head right here. So I'm just gonna draw a line right into the head. So this part's gonna be black, so that's why I don't bother erasing this line here. Just gonna turn that into a rectangle. Okay, so this one's at a slant. And then right here, you can make 2 little points. We'll just go up. Now I'm going to close it off with a slight curve. And then let me shade this in real quick. And I'll try to add in maybe a little bit of shading here. So try to make it look like there's some kind of highlight to it. Okay, so it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. And then lastly, for his ear right here, just go up. So just try to envision like a little triangle shape inside. And then I'm gonna add a little border. Okay, so that's the head, and let's see, let's move on down to the body. So for his body, we're gonna draw slightly different. We're gonna draw part of his arm as well. So we just come out to the side here. Just slant down. Now I'm just gonna pinch it in, and this is actually gonna be his armpit right here. And then from here we're gonna curve. That's gonna give us the body shape. And then close this off. So this is gonna be his hip. Okay, and then right here, I'm just gonna add 2 lines first. So this one's gonna be the suspender. I'm gonna make it a little bit wider on top. And then we'll go down all the way to the bottom. So a little bit skinnier on the bottom. And I'll shade this in, and then that way we can see this a little bit better. Okay, and before I do that, I'm gonna add in a little bow tie in the center. So just one circle and just go out. Just draw a little, almost like a little wing. Okay, and let me see. Let me shade this in, and we'll be able to see this a lot better. All right, so nice and easy with a Sharpie. So now we can see the suspenders. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and draw his arm. Let's draw this one first. So here's the armpit. I'm just gonna continue with this curve, come down, and then this one, just a slight curve. Close it off. And then now for his hand, just one hook for the thumb. One little line coming in, so that's gonna be the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the hand, curve. And then now for the other finger, just continue this. Just round it and connect to that. Okay, and let's see, we can add one little bump here for the other finger. All right, so now let's draw in this one, and this one's gonna be holding the rose, so it's gonna be slightly different. I'm gonna come right here, just draw like a little egg shape. This is gonna be his thumb. And then from this point here, just gonna draw a bigger, kind of like a rounded rectangle. Drawing 2 lines right here to divide up the fingers, and that's gonna give us his hand. All right, and then we can connect this. So here's the armpit. Let's draw one little line, connect to that. Okay, so that's his hand, and now we can join the rose. So the rose is really easy. Okay, I'll just make it a little bit wider here. It's gonna come through the hand. We can add in either thorns or just leaves, little leaves. Okay, and then now for the rose. So I'm just gonna curve like this. I'm gonna close it off, just give it a slight little bit of bumpiness to it for the petals, and then somewhere around here, just add one little line here. Okay, so that's the rose, and now let's move on to the legs. So legs are very easy to draw. Let's start in the middle right here. Just add one little line. Go all the way down, just give it a slight angle coming down. So that's gonna be the length for the leg. So now I'm gonna start on the side right here, come down, stop a little bit short, give it a little bump for the foot, close it off. Okay, so same thing here, I'm gonna come down, stop, one little bump. And if you want to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, just continue with this curve, just kind of go in. And that is it for this Felix. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.